Okay, I will explain you how I work it with the design rules for milling in Eagle. DRC, what it is DRC? Relax, I will explain you. Honestly, I didn't use it before, but we are here to learn. So thanks to Epifanio Cueva for the question and John Lozano for the support. I will explain you how I use it, step by step. DRC means design rule check, and this command checks a board against the current set of design rules. And design rules are those that define all the parameters that the board layout has to follow. So let's start working with DRC command. We open our Eagle software and open a project, in this case Eco Hello World board. We open the schematic and there is our schematic and change to the board file. Yes, and as you can see there is my design board. I redraw it and there is DRC command. Let's see what we have here. The file tab shows us a description of the current set of design rules and allows you to change the description. This is strongly recommended if you define your own design rules. The Layers tab defines which signal layers the board actually uses. And the Clearance tab defines the various, as you can see, minimum clearance values between objects in signal layers. These are usually absolute minimum values that are defined by the production process used and should be obtained from your board manufacturer. The Distance tab defines the minimum distance between objects in signal layers and the board dimensions. And this one is the board dimensions, and as well as that between any two drill holes. The Size tab defines the minimum width of any object in signal layers and the minimum drill diameter. No? The Restraint tab defines the width of the copper ring that has to remain after the path or via has been drilled. Values are defined in percent, minimum and maximum. The Shape tabs defines the actual shapes, as you can see here, the actual shapes on for our SMDs and pads. If you require it, you can change your design. Here you can change if you want the first pad as not special, square, round, round. It depends of the design you want to have. The Supply tab defines the thermal isolation between pads and signal polygons. The Mask tabs defines the dimension of solder, stop and clean masks, and the mask will show you the grid and angles to check those ones. So let's start seeing what we have here with our word. Click on check. As you can see, we have those errors, clearance, 24 errors, clearance dimensions, a lot of dimensions, and a vector form and overlap. So start working on that. Don't clear. Please. We have to move this one here. Let's see what happens. Again, check. Woohoo! Okay, no more clearance. Let's do the same with dimensions. Those are the dimensions errors. We can change. So for this, in this case, we have to move our board dimensions, the minimum required. Show all the tabs to select it and move set on the origin point. Again, just display top, paths, views and dimension. Okay, and let's see what happened. No more dimension errors. We just have 8, and those are not a problem. In this case, is about text and a design of my university logo, Continental University. So in this case, we will approve, and that's it. We are clear. We don't have more errors, and we have a right design of board. Now we can export it as margin, write a name. In this case, I will put this name and save as a text. It's monochrome. It is right. Okay. So let's verify. There is. And this is our right the signboard. Now we can start mailing. Thanks.